To set up and integrate PayPal with Venmo, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Settings or Profile section. Look for the option to link a bank account or card and select Venmo as the payment method. You will be redirected to the Venmo website where you will need to log in to your Venmo account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize PayPal to access your Venmo account. Review the terms and conditions. Then click Agree to proceed. You will be redirected back to the PayPal website where you can confirm that your Venmo account has been successfully linked. To send money from PayPal to Venmo, log into your PayPal account and select the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Venmo account. Then select Venmo as the payment method. Enter the amount you want to send and review the transaction details before confirming. To receive money from Venmo to PayPal, log into your Venmo account and select the Transfer Money option. Choose PayPal as the destination and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. It is essential to note that there may be fees associated with transferring money between PayPal and Venmo, so make sure to review the terms and conditions before making a transaction. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal and Venmo accounts are verified to avoid any transaction limits or restrictions. By following these steps, you can easily set up and integrate PayPal with Venmo, allowing you to send and receive money seamlessly between the two platforms. This integration provides a convenient and secure way to manage your online payments and transfers.